ciao bella, and welcome to my Natural Remedies Empire review by the one and only Alessandro Zamboni. Hence my Italian accent. Ciao bella. Guys, this product is going live today on the 11th of December at 10 a.m. New York time. And from that time on, you will be able to pick it up via the link below my review if you wish so, and get all of my splendid custom-made bonuses, which will blow your socks all the way to the moon, maybe Mars, maybe Venus, depending on whether you're a man or a woman. And men are from Mars, women are from Venus. By the way, I've been listening to Dr. John Gray too much lately. He's such a gem, okay? Such a politically incorrect, common sense guy. Love him, recommend him. I am also loving this product because this is all that I am, one of the things I am super crazy passionate about and I have full faith in, which is natural healing, natural remedies. And guys, this is a set of prompts, okay? My written review will be right below. Okay, I'll get to the details, but I just want to point to you that you have it all written down for you, nicely structured. Go through my written review. That's why I write these reviews, guys, so you have the information in front of your face. Some people like to watch, some people like to read, so I provide both, okay? And also, I made a bunch of custom-made bonuses, which you can see here. This is my bonus delivery page. I will update my review with those bonuses as well, because from what I can see, I haven't done so yet. Okay, so the bonuses you're gonna get from me, guys, are all PDF, as you can see, Herbal or Herbal, depending on whether you're from America or the rest of the world. In America, they say Herbal, right? Apparently. But I live in London, so I'll say Herbal. Herbal Remedies Business Blueprint. Creating, labeling, and packaging for those recipes. However you would want to sell them. I'll give you plenty of ideas, okay? And I'll show you how easily you will create those recipes with ChatGPT. I've been testing it, so this is the prompt, and this is the outcome, guys. You will be able to create, okay, so the title, the recipe title, ingredients, step-by-step instructions, serving tips, benefits and properties of the ingredients, best ways and times to use it. Very clever prompt you're given here, okay? And also a prompt for Midjourney. But I was like, hey ho, I should be able to create an image, a suitable images with ChatGPT, a free version of ChatGPT at that. And that was precisely the case. There you go. I said, create a suitable image for this recipe. It is, right? Is it a turmeric sort of latte or something? Yeah. Golden glow turmeric latte. I love it. I love turmeric latte. Turmeric is amazing. They use powder here, but I tend to use the fresh root. It's way more superior. Okay? Right. Yeah, so super excited to be presenting this product. You know, it shines like a diamond, like a crazy diamond. Alessandro Zamboni has had his own health challenges, which I am fully aware of. He talks about them. This is Alessandro Zamboni, or maybe AI. He's AI Alessandro Zamboni. Probably. Yeah, it's fun. It's a picture of Alessandro, but I can see it was generated by AI, the video. But pretty good. Watch it. It's amazing what AI can do. So, going live, anytime soon. These are the examples of recipes you will be able to create. And that was apparently generated by Midjourney. But if you don't have a free version of Midjourney, you wouldn't, would you? I'm not even sure if they still do a trial. They may not. But do it with ChatGPT, works just fine. As I did show you earlier, just say create a suitable image for you for this recipe, and it will do it for you. Or what I also do, I use CArt Natural.ai. I only paid $20 for it. So let me grab the prompt actually that it gave this together with this recipe, okay? And I'll paste it into cr.ai and we'll see what it's gonna spit out. I use the Flux. I found out about this amazing tool, and Flux is very expensive and the most advanced AI image generator, I would say, and gets the text right like 99% of the time. Okay, I love using it, and as I said, I'm just giving you a, it's not like I'm promoting CR, but I'm just giving you a recommendation really of something I've been using for quite some time now. I found out about it from Steve Mello. He creates amazing high quality training courses, those mini training courses about this and that, okay? So because I go through all of those courses, I review thoroughly, I learn so much. But anyhow, let's take the prompt and let's create it with CRT, and it only takes a few seconds, and again, $20 for the whole year. Really well worth it. I mean, for me, I much prefer it than Midjourney, to be brutally honest, okay? But well, Midjourney is fine too. So while it's generating the image, I just want to jump back to the sales page. And as I was saying, I am fully aware that Alessandro Zamboni has had his own health challenges. Kind of heartwarming for me to see that he is most likely turning, or maybe he's always been, into natural remedies. Because, guys, we cannot improve on nature. Why? Because it was created by love. You know, what is love? Love is the force that drives the universe. Whether we choose to believe it or not, right? Sometimes it doesn't look like what's happening is being driven by love, but I think we should just trust the process. What is love to begin with, right? Anyhow, this woman, Barbara O'Neill, she's from Australia. Guys, I recommend her content as well from YouTube. I mean, I've been like binging, is that how you say it, on her content. She is an amazing educator, teacher. Of course, got in trouble with the mainstream, but hey ho, that's what happens if you stand for nature and all of that. But I'm not gonna get carried away here. Right, okay, so there you go. So these are all of the categories in which you get recipes. Okay, I love them for like detox smoothies, anti-inflammatory remedies. You know, like turmeric is so anti-inflammatory. But again, the fresh one is what you want to get. And you're getting the bonus, this 100 ChatGPT prompts to write natural remedies articles. These are very good, especially if you're in a health niche, okay? And I would turn those articles also into videos if you have if you don't want to do the videos yourself, you can use Pictory or any other, text to video tool that you have, and voila, and do it. Okay. So that's the sales page, guys. This is the members area. So from here you access the prompts. Here are the bonus prompts. Here you can join Facebook free Zamboni inner circle. Here is this is the review access. The training video is coming, will be added here. But the process is very easy. I'll show you the process now. I'm gonna grab another recipe. So these are all of the recipes. You have the prompt here, the category right there to the right, yeah. Okay, so you just copy from here, just sort of like click on the one you want to use, copy, and then I'm just gonna paste it into ChatGPT again, and hopefully I have not run out of my limit for today, but no, there you go, it's creating it. It's a golden calm herbal tea, a soothing sip for inflammation relief. I mean, I would encourage you to use the recipes yourself. Chamomile, ginger, yeah, I've just had fresh ginger tea with honey, with lemon and manuka honey. But if you use manuka honey, wait until the temperature lowers. It's not too hot, it's just right before drinking it, okay? Add like some half a spoon of honey. Well, why am I saying make sure you don't put it into hot water? Because it's going to kill the the healing properties of Manuka honey, which is raw honey, right? Okay, so amazing maple syrup or honey. I would recommend Manuka honey. Ground turmeric, you can use fresh turmeric, that would be my recommendation. And let me ask it to create a suitable image again. Okay, so I said create a suitable image for this recipe, please. If it does it, great. I see it's doing it. Sometimes the free version of ChatGPT, especially if you've run out of the... I mean, it is the free version of ChatGPT, but beautiful. But it is connected to... Which one am I using? Hold on. I think I'm using... Yeah, I'm using the... Is it 4.0? Sorry, I just totally skipped my mind. Okay, guys, so now I'm just gonna quickly show you my bonuses. So, creating a profitable natural remedies... blog. Okay, how to create this blog. Monetizing a herbal remedies, a step-by-step guide. Guys, because I am also so passionate about the subject, I felt like I would just go bonkers. And in those bonuses, I'm actually, referring to the Natural Remedies Empire. Okay, these are like comprehensive reports, not too lengthy, maximum 10 pages long. And I think they will really, really help you, okay? Give you some ideas on how to monetize these recipes that you will be creating with a set of, close to 500 prompts. So that's good stuff. Guys, if you want to pick it up from me and get all of the amazing bonuses, and just because you appreciate my amazing reviews, fantastical reviews, then I would be super grateful. Beautiful product, very trendy. People are waking up to the, to the idea that they're realizing it's this realization and awareness that's, the shift that is happening in the world for sure, of people coming back to nature. It's the separation from nature that has caused us so many issues. If we take a look at the animal kingdom, no animals die of metabolic diseases. They either die of trauma, accidents, injuries, or old age. See, this is the way to live. This is the way to die, in my opinion, okay? There is just this stupid saying, stupid and ignorant and lazy, really, okay? Because people would rather die than change their habits of saying that, well, you must die of something. I always say, what did Moses die of? When at the age of 120, he climbed a big mountain and then he just laid down and died. Well, fell asleep. To me, that's the way to go. And I hope we'll get there. We are going in that direction, I believe. Right, guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very soon. Bye.